Hi, I'm Dr. Cynthia Clark, acupuncturist, nutritionist, engineer, and Ironman biohacker. Today I want to share with you how ozone therapy, a modern biomedical treatment, beautifully aligns with the ancient principles of traditional Chinese medicine, also called TCM. Ozone therapy involves introducing medical-grade ozone, O3, into the body to promote healing, boost oxygen levels, and reduce inflammation. While this practice originates from Western medicine, its effects resonate deeply with the foundations of TCM. In TCM, health is about maintaining the balance of yin and yang, ensuring the smooth flow of qi, your vital life force, and keeping the five elements in harmony. Ozone therapy supports these principles by restoring balance, clearing blockages, and enhancing the body's natural ability to heal. How does ozone therapy align with TCM? 1. Restoring qi flow and activating vital energy. In TCM, health issues often stem from a qi stagnation or qi deficiency. When qi isn't flowing properly, it can lead to pain, fatigue, or chronic illness. Ozone therapy helps restore this vital energy by unblocking stagnation. Much like acupuncture, it increases energy flow where qi is stuck. Enhancing oxygenation. Oxygen corresponds to yang energy in TCM, which powers movement, activity, and vitality. In short, ozone supports yang qi by improving circulation, stimulating cell function, and revitalizing the body's energy systems. 2. Clearing heat and toxins. Reducing inflammation. In TCM, excess heat and toxins can cause inflammation, infections, or chronic conditions. Ozone therapy addresses these imbalances by clearing internal heat. Its anti-inflammatory processes help to reduce yang or fire energy, often associated with infections, rashes, and chronic inflammation. Eliminating toxins. Similar to TCM's detoxification practices, ozone stimulates the body's natural cleansing pathways. This helps restore balance by cooling the system and clearing toxic qi. 3. Nourishing yin and replenishing essence, called Jing. Chronic illness, fatigue, and signs of aging often stem from a deficiency of yin or depletion of essence, known as Jing in TCM. Ozone therapy helps protect and restore these vital energies by enhancing cellular repair, stimulating mitochondrial activity, which supports deep cellular rejuvenation, reducing oxidative stress, triggering your body's antioxidant defenses, preserving yin energy, and protecting your essence. This nourishing effect helps support long-term health and vitality. 4. Supporting the lung and spleen meridians. In TCM, the lung governs qi and breathing while the spleen manages digestion and fluid balance. Ozone therapy boosts these systems by improving lung function, especially through nasal or ear insufflation, which enhances zhang qi, the energy derived from air and food. It stimulates spleen function, reducing dampness and promoting detoxification. Together, these effects strengthen both lung qi and spleen qi, enhancing energy levels and overall wellness. 5. Balancing the five elements. Ozone therapy aligns naturally with TCM's five elements. The wood, liver, supports detoxification, clears liver heat, and improves emotional imbalance. Fire, heart, reduces inflammation, promotes heart health, and better circulation. Earth, spleen, helps with nutrient absorption and digestion. Metal, lung, boosts respiratory function and immunity. And water, kidney, protects your body's essence, Jing, and shields against oxidative stress. Common TCM indications for ozone therapy include liver qi stagnation. It aids in detoxification and emotional balance. Lung qi deficiency. It improves breathing capacity and overall energy flow. Yin deficiency with heat signs. It cools inflammation and restores hydration. Blood stagnation. It improves circulation, easing pain and preventing conditions like varicose veins or fibroids. And integrating ozone therapy into TCM treatments, we do this to maximize the benefits. Acupuncture is used to enhance meridian flow and amplify ozone's effects. Herbal medicine supports detoxification, boosts immunity, and restores balance. Cupping or gua sha increases circulation and accelerates detoxification. And TCM nutrition therapy, my favorite, nourishes yin and helps the body process toxins more effectively. Ozone therapy may be a modern medical treatment, but it reflects the core wisdom of traditional Chinese medicine. It enhances qi flow, nourishes yin, clears heat, and supports natural detoxification, all while promoting deep, long-term healing. If you're curious how ozone therapy could support your health from a TCM perspective, let's explore it together in a personalized consultation. Your journey towards balance, vitality, and transformation starts here.